Hello, this is Renee, and Tom and I are on the Ultimate World Cruise, and we just docked in Tallinn, Estonia. Despite the light drizzle this morning, we have an exciting day planned ahead, so get ready to join us on this adventure. We grabbed an Uber to go to Jägala Waterfall, which was about a 30-minute drive. It stopped raining by the time we got to the falls. Jägala Waterfall is the highest natural waterfall in Estonia, with a drop of about 8 meters or 26 feet, and a width of about 50 meters or 164 feet. Simply beautiful. The waterfall is particularly stunning during the spring thaw and the water flow is at its peak, and in the winter it transforms into a spectacular ice wonderland. The waterfall flows over the North Estonian Clint, which is part of the Baltic Clint, showcasing sedimentary rock strata formed over 500 million years ago during the Cambrian period. In the early 20th century, the waterfall experienced a significant collapse, contributing to its current appearance. After our waterfall adventure, we headed back to tour Old Town Estonia. It felt like we were stepping back in time with the cobblestone streets and medieval architecture. Tallinn was founded by Danish King Vladimir II in 1219. It quickly grew as a strategic trading port. 𝗪𝗥𝗨𝗏𝗪𝗔𝗡𝗏 Monastery, or the Nuns' Convent, was founded in the 13th century and is one of the oldest and most significant religious institutions in Estonia. During the 14th to 16th centuries, it flourished as a major trading hub due to its advantageous position along trade routes between Western Europe and Russia. The city's prosperity during this period is reflected in its well-preserved buildings and fortifications. We're now walking through St. Catherine's Passage. It dates back to the 13th century and runs alongside the former St. Catherine's Monastery. Long Street is aptly named. It is one of the longest streets in Tallinn and runs from Town Hall Square to near the harbor. The iconic Tallinn Town Hall is the oldest town hall in the Baltics and Scandinavia, dating back to the early 1400s. Tallinn experienced significant changes during the 20th century, including occupations by Nazi Germany and the Soviet Union during World War II. Okay, we have to backtrack through St. Catherine's Passage again. St. Nicholas Church, dating back to the 13th century. It endured partial destruction during the Soviet bombing of Tallinn in World War II. 𝗪𝗪𝗥𝗟𝗗 Castle is an ancient stronghold that housed various rulers over centuries and now serves as the seat of the Estonian Parliament. the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. This is the Academy of Sciences that used to be a palace until 1938. The viewing platform gave us a perfect view of Tallinn. We then walked to Freedom Square. It is one of the most significant public spaces in Tallinn. The monument commemorates the Estonian War of Independence from 1918 to 1920 and honors those who have fought for Estonians' freedom. St. Olav's Church was once the tallest building in the world from 1549 to 1625. Its spire reaches 124 meters or 407 feet. We actually stopped at a local restaurant and got local cuisine of pizza. The city regained its independence with Estonia in 1991 and since then has developed into a vibrant culture and economic center. There is an old legend that the builder of the church, who was also named Olaf, fell to his death from the towers of the church. Where's his safety gear? We got to explore the narrow and winding alleys of Old Town, such as Catherine's Passage, revealing charming courtyards, artisan workshops, and hidden treasures. We walked about 6 miles today. As our date comes to an end, we got back on the shuttle bus to go back to the ship, which was a 10-minute ride. Here's our itinerary for the next 4 ports. Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to announce that my very first children's book is now published. Join Alphanet, or Al, our adventurous elephant, as he sets sails on an exciting journey across the seas. Can't wait for you all to meet Al and join him on his nautical adventures, and thank you all for your support, and I hope you and your little ones enjoy reading it as much as I enjoyed writing it. I'll leave a link in the description below. Happy reading! Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more adventures from every corner of the globe. See you at the next port!